everyone, welcome to Mystic Queen PH, and for those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for almost 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the major changes happening to you in 2024. And since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely. So I suggest that you get a reading personalized to your unique situation, and I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I've been using Keen for almost a year now, and Keen has helped me whenever I needed clarity and guidance. I have 2 regular psychics that I usually consult with, and they always bring enlightenment in my situation. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading, because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer on Keen, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Scorpio, let's see what are the major changes coming to you in 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let's see. Scorpio, major changes in 2024 for you. What are the major changes? Okay, 11th house, community. You have Neptune. You have Leo energy. Okay, so this is Neptune and Leo in the 11th house. Grabe. Alam nyo, Scorpio, kung kayo ay medyo mahiyain, ngayong 2024, mababawasan na yan, no? Kasi you will be showcasing your talents, your skills. And people will know that. Malalaman niya ng mga tao. Okay? Mas maglalakas loob ka na to be in the center. Parang maging center of attention. Ganyan. You also have Urus, you have Tiwas, and Isa. Okay. So, may mga bagay na gusto mong pasukin or gawin sa 2024 na medyo magkakaroon ka ng frustration kung bakit hindi siya mangyayari or pwedeng madedelay siya for some reasons. So, this is the time na parang bibigyan mo ng alternative yung sarili mo, na parang i-redirect mo yung sarili mo, yung attention mo sa ibang bagay habang naghihintay nun. Okay? So, kumbaga, let's say for example, yung nangyari dati, 'di ba? Nagkaroon ng COVID, tapos parang tumigil ang mundo, 'di ba? Ganon. But there are things na meron tayong mga na-realize during those times. So, I feel like ganong klaseng energy yung may experience nyo ngayong 2024 na merong somehow delay or pause, pagtigil, pero that will give you an opportunity to explore other things, alternative, no? Na maaring connected yan sa madidiscover mo na talento mo, nakakayanan mo, abilidad mo, na hindi mo napapansin because busy ka sa maraming bagay. So, ngayong 2024, you will look into your talents, your abilities, and you will discover more about yourself. That's why you're going to shine. And the community, no, yung collective with the 11th house, nandyan sila to support you. Kasi they will appreciate kung ano yung ino-offer mo. And you also have Urus. Urus is about your strength, vitality, and power. So I see you na mas magiging physically fit ngayong 2024. You will be, starting to be more serious sa pag-exercise, pagpunta sa gym, mas magiging, determinado at disiplinado na maging healthy, maging physically fit. And yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga activities na papasukin, like yung mga hobbies, mga libangan ninyo, na more, outdoor, no? Parang outdoor activities, like pagbibisikleta, you might be joining a club, a bike club, no? Yung mga ganyang, mga community. And from there, you will gain new friends, new connections. Ayan. So, let's see what else. There's also a leadership role para sa'yo, no? Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong i-assume na leadership role sa trabaho ninyo, sa community, yung tipong ikaw yung magiging leader ng inyong homeowners association, o kaya ng parent-teachers association, or any club or association na kinabibilangan mo. So, you will be a leader, or you will have a position of power sa community. Let's see what else. You have the Temperance card. So, see, this makes sense. Kasi Temperance is about patience. While waiting, habang naghihintay ka, ini-improve mo yung sarili mo. Kasi, syempre, pag, meron tayong hinihintay, hindi naman pwedeng laging, yung parang pati tayo nakatigil na, no? Na wala na tayong gagawin. So, there are alternative things that we can do while waiting for something. So, I think that's what is your, yan yung gagawin mo. Yeah, with the Judgment card here, this is reinventing yourself. Oo, following the direction na kung saan ka dinadala base sa mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo. Oo, kasi 'di ba, pag masaya ka sa ginagawa mo or may discover ka about yourself, parang doon ka yun yung sinusundan mo, 'di ba? Wow, major changes talaga to. You have the Strength card. You have the power, the strength that you need kahit na merong challenges sa harapan mo. And I think itong challenge na to is yung pagtigil ng isang bagay na maaring gusto mong i-pursue or akala mo para doon ka talaga, pero yun yung paraan mo para ma-discover mo pa yung ibang landas na pwede mong tahakin. You have the 5 of Wands and then the 4 of Swords. So, some of you may experience challenges with your connection sa mga friends mo or anyone na will try to parang tipong magkakaroon kayo ng iba't ibang pananaw sa buhay na pwedeng hindi kayo magkaintindihan. But in the long run, you will learn from this experience. Yung tipong iiwas ka na lang kapag alam mong magiging complicated lang yung situation. You also have the Queen of Pentacles. You will also focus on your resources, finances. Meron kang mga ipapaayos or pwedeng sa bahay ito. You may be renovating your home or even buying your own house. Oo, you have the 4 of Cups. Lalo na if you feel na parang you don't deserve that kind of situation, no? So, let's say for example, yung bahay nyong sa ngayon is kailangan na talaga ng renovation or kailangan nyo na talagang lumipat dahil hindi na siya comfortable for you. So, you will really find ways to make it happen with the Queen of Pentacles kasi yan yung pagiging resourceful. And you will mapagtatagumpayan mo yan. No? Kasi na-realize mo na, teka, you can do something about it. Meron kang kayang gawin para mabago yun. So, gagawa ka talaga ng paraan. Detach your emotions from situations that you cannot control. Yes. So, yun na nga. Mga bagay na, or tao, sitwasyon sa buhay mo na wala kang control, hindi ka na mag-invest ng emotions mo doon dahil alam mo na it will just mess up with your yung pananaw mo, no? So for you, parang nothing is personal. Lahat ng nangyayari na experience mo is about learning experience in dealing with people, kasi some of you will be dealing with a lot of people ngayong 2024. You are working through deep soul patterns, release any outdated beliefs and that surface. Okay. So, yung mga i-release mo yung mga soul patterns na alam mong hindi sa'yo makakatulong, no? Yung mga cycle na paulit-ulit na nangyayari sa'yo na hindi mo talaga tinutuldukan. Anything that is very, yung tawag dyan, toxic, tutuldukan mo na yan. And taking a leap of faith. Butterfly symbolizes new beginnings and transformation. So, in 2024, you will experience transformation sa pamamagitan ng paglalakas ng loob na sumubok ng mga bagong experiences outside of your comfort zone. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.